All right, sorry guys, I just walked right back in the house. Was trying to get everything set up before the open there, and just didn't get to it. Didn't get it. So we're here now. We are here. We did just smash that open, by the way. We longed right there at open. Took it for like $1,000. Let's go. Man, this I tell you what, this market's crazy, huh? This market is cray. What up, Jim? Eric, how you doing? Need to basically redo all my levels here. This thing has just went parabolic after those earnings. I've got to redo everything. Hell, I think we made all-time highs, right? Let me just take all these levels. Let me just take everything off here, actually. I don't even know what I'm doing there. Let's take all these levels off here. Remove all. Perfect. And we are going to start fresh with the levels. What up, Black Phoenix? But yeah, I just smashed that open right there for... oh, good thing I looked over here at a level. Oh, whatchamacallit left on there in order. Just smashed it for $955 at the open there. Sorry, I tried to get on here in time, but... So we got a little something to play with tonight. A little something. Screen 500, only give it all back and end up red. That sucks, Dylan. Did you play the earnings at all? The earnings freaking just went to the moon. I mean, look at that. 130 point just rip up. And the thing was, on my eval, I wish I could show you the executions. I was long right here at 5. I was long right into close. I forgot about the earnings. But I think I was long like 470. And I took it off at 502. I mean, literally, or 402, right before this candle printed, I took it off. And then, like, it just ripped. And, you know, but at the end of the day, it's fine, right? It's not that big a deal. It's not that big a deal. So, no, I said I wasn't going to get on until 8, but we're on now. All-time Heidi ho. That's right. I mean, I tell you guys, y'all, you know, people make fun of me because I'm bullish so much. They're like, Methodical's always bullish. But there's a reason, guys. I mean, you don't fade this market. That level that I called out earlier, the 467, that got smashed on the way back down. See, we had these, I mean, like, basically exactly kind of what we talked about today kind of happened, right? If we look at it here, we left the equal lows down here at 467, and then we also had that liquidity that was left out to the left here. So we kind of talked about, like, once this liquidity is taken, this is probably your next level. Although, I don't think that probably would have even, that really didn't play out the way we thought. This did kind of turn into support, didn't it? And then at the FOMC, then we kind of had the run lower. Ran the previous day low and all that. So it got run eventually. We just didn't know when. So hard to be bearish at this point. Down 1K at the open. Oh, that sucks, Eric. Tiger and Pine fading each other. Are they? Well, there must be an inside bar on the 5-minute if Pine's in something. I don't know. Let me get I'll get Pine Tree pulled up here. I don't have anybody pulled up, guys. We're going to do a massive giveaway, guys, if we can hit the Take Private Trader goal. If we can hit the goal. Do I have my headphones? Oh, they're on. Pine short. Ugh. Scary. So scary. I mean, I know we have the gap here, but it's still Shorts not. I don't like the shorts. I mean, now it could work out. Hopefully it works out, but it's kind of strange that he's short here because he normally goes with, like, if it gaps up, I realize we're at all-time highs. Now, let's see. Did ES make all-time highs, though? I literally just got back here. So, yeah, I mean, technically we do have a bearish SMT here at the highs. Because the ES did not make all-time highs on that push. But I'm not so sure. That may just tell me that we just have more upside to go, right? More upside to go there, you know? Smart got the close 66175. Previous day close. Pine short like bonsai. Bonsai. And then obviously the open. 705 is the open. Let's mark these out. These would be interesting levels for now. And then obviously we got the gap down here. Since there is a gap there, we will mark it out. So it's a 25-point gap, not huge. What up, CT? Oh, you tried catching the falling knife and got cut? That sucks. You were working as well. What up, slow boy? So let's kind of look at our downside. Like, what opportunities are there to the downside? Like, what is it? What in the heck is that? What happened? I'm hitting the wrong button. I was trying to delete this stuff. So yeah, we can just mark out the low. So you got relative equal lows now at 356. It's so far away. So far away. It's back to your entry. Gaps get ran. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Is like, let's look at this from a fib perspective. I mean, look at this 15-minute gap here. It's just huge. I mean, we'll mark out kind of the 50% mark sitting there at the 550 area. You know, like, as far as bias goes, I mean, like, it's so tough not to be bullish. But I could see why one would think that maybe it's going to pull back and rebalance a little bit here. But 550 is 150 points away from where we're at. I don't know that we get to that level tonight. I don't know that we get to that level tonight. I would probably say maybe a pullback into like this. I mean, as far as like a long area, off that previous day close there at 662, maybe an area of interest for a long. We'll see. Looks like Pine Tree Short's working for now. So maybe an area down there at 662, we could look for maybe a little bounce off that area. No shorts not working in this environment. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, I agree, Black Beauty, or Black Phoenix. It's just like one of those things I don't really understand. I mean, like, shorts are going to work sometimes. But the difference is like, you know, higher probability on the longs, right? All right, guys, we are $600 away from the giveaways here. $600. We effectively need 6 more accounts sold, 6 more 50Ks, or, you know, depending upon if they're higher, then if someone buys like 100K, 150K, then it would be less. But that's what we need to get to the bonus level. Once we get to the bonus level, we're going to give away 6 evaluation accounts from Take Profit Trader, and we're going to do a cash giveaway. So if you guys want that stuff to happen, pick up an account, use code MM, Take Profit Trader. And we'll do a huge giveaway tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the biggest giveaway we've ever done, if we can get there. And if we don't get there, then we won't do the giveaway. Hey! Sorry. That's how she goes. That's how she goes. No giveaway if we don't get there. We only need 6, guys. We can do it. We can do 6. I really got a HughesNet advertisement in the mail. HughesNet? Who's using HughesNet? Come on. Not using HughesNet. What up, Dale? Are we going to fill the gap? I mean, maybe. Maybe. So we're going to see here. I'm going to pick up a few more accounts, guys. Remember, the sales are ending in the next couple of days, guys. And here's the thing. We don't know what's coming back. We don't know if we're going to have sales into next month. We have no idea, right? You have no clue. So there is the first inside bar. I mean, I might take this with 1 mini. I'm going to take it with 1 mini, I think. I am on 1 mini. All right. Stop will be 716.75. So actually kind of a wide stop, to be honest. And what should I target here? Should I just target the 86? Yeah, I'm just going to target 86. So only looking for 9 points. Kind of a skewed risk to reward, but we'll give it a go. Smooches from Papa Tio. Who's Papa Tio? Papa Tio. Smooches. So I'm joining the short here on this first inside bar action. I don't love the shorts, but I do think I don't think it's unreasonable for this one to work. Mi grandes nigra. Dale. Dale trying to get me canceled over here, making me read that. Come on, Dale. They're going to cancel me, Dale. I'm going to be canceled. Oh, what am I going to do? $86.25. I'm going to front run this by a couple of ticks, actually. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's go. Pick up an eval using code MM on Take Profit Trader if you didn't know, so we can do the giveaway. Guys, I will do the giveaway tonight. I don't even care. If we hit the bonus tonight, we'll do the giveaway tonight. That's up to you guys. Well, this might be my face getting ripped off here. Let's see. I broke my rule of no shorts, so maybe I deserve it. Kind of bull flaggish here. If we break above the open, I'm probably going to get out. Yeah, I'm out of this. That break above that open there is kind of my sign. Your auto insurance will be canceled unless you purchase a $50 Target gift card and send me the number today. Jim, I mean, if that's what you want to do, we appreciate it. Send me the gift card number. All right, I'm going to take the long now. Why not? Oh my God! As soon as it didn't close above. What? Am I on the 1 minute? Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute. All right. I was like, wait a second. I'm on the 1 minute. Man, are we going to get ripped in both directions here? Can't trust these lows. I don't blame you. These lows ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. ES is about to make a new high here. Let's get a quick measurement over here. I want to see kind of where we should be taking profit. 40 points, so 724. 724. $724 for me will be the profit. Guys, you really have to stop with these bad jokes. You don't like the bad jokes, Unc? Come on, man. Or untruck. See, I can't even read your name. I do think we get some expansion here right back above 715, 716 area. We can work our way back through there. Actually, we didn't even test that 700 on that push down, huh? Did we? Yeah, I guess we did. 690. Oh. Yeah, I don't even know why I was thinking about a short there. What's wrong with me? Stupid inside bar. Man, I just realized you guys can probably hear this TV. I didn't turn it all the way down. I know you guys hear Max in there barking. I just put him in the kitchen because I'm shutting the door, so I know he's going to, you know. Now, ES did make a new high here, so this could be a spot where maybe we do turn down. But we'll see. We'll see. Roof. That's right. Man, is this thing... It didn't technically stop out yet on that inside bar. Well, the inside bar might play out here. We're getting rejection at 705. Rude. I don't love this entry now. It should go, though. Huh. Well, let's see what happens. I was kind of, I don't know. We'll see what happens. The deals just keep getting better. Yeah, Nate, it is a good time, but here's the thing, man. I will just bet you right now that next month's deals are going to be nowhere near as good as this month's deals. We're going to be sitting around scratching our head next month saying, where are the deals at? And they're going to be gone. They're going to be gone. I don't know. I stopped out on that that short there because we got above the open price, but we really didn't close above it. And it never hit the it never hit the stop out. My stop would have been 715 basically. Never did hit the stop. I don't know why I took that off. I mean, I still don't love it. Still going to just hold this. We'll see. Black Phoenix, because that's kind of how it goes, right? Last month, not great sales. Month before, not great sales. This month, fantastic sales. So it's just kind of how it goes, right? It doesn't, you don't typically have back-to-back months where the sales are great. So if you want to pick up the accounts, you should do it before the first of the month. Because it's not guaranteed. Not guaranteed. Just saying. My Funded Futures still got that 50% off for the next day or two. So your first account purchase for this month will get you 50% off. That's a really good deal. 15% off thereafter. The legacy accounts, I think you get 15% off. And then Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation. Trade Day sale also ends tomorrow night at midnight. 40% off, no activation fee. Very similar to Take Profit Trader. Code MM on all those. And then Bulenox, 91% off, of course. I think day traders might be 90% off now, too. And then Tradeify is 50% off. They're having a flash sale right now. 50% off the evals and 35% off the direct-to-funded accounts. Use code MM there. Am I forgetting anybody? Funded Futures Network still has the BOGO going on. I got codes at Legends, Lucid, Elite, Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, APEX, Trade Day. All of those. Use my code if you want. I'm not necessarily trading with any of those last ones. Funding ticks. I'm only trading with the 5. I'm only trading with the 5 props, but the other ones, if you want to trade with them, do it at your own risk. Apex, Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Trade Day, and My Funded Futures. Those are the ones I'm trading with currently. Your Don't Chain channel looks like a damn clothespin. Fast Track, yes, I have Fast Track as well. Nah, no longer Fast Track. No longer Fail Track. Maybe it should have got out right there when it got back to my entry, huh? I don't know. This is kind of a stupid trade. The short made sense because it was an actual setup, even though I ate the loss on it. This is not really a setup. This is just me jumping in. And those don't usually turn out well, to be honest. So I probably should just close it. Yeah, I got a Thrive code too. What was the other one? Did I just kill this? I don't know. What's the other one that went under? Not Thrive. There was another one too. Can't remember. There was that one who actually had pretty good deals, but I don't remember the name of it. It was a smaller one, I think. What up, James? Doing all right. We'd be doing better if this trade would push into the green here. You're in long also? Yeah. I mean, it was a short setup, to be honest, but that's the reason I was in the short. Good thing I do have some profit to play with here. Again, we need 6 more sales on Take Profit Trader if they're 50K accounts to get the bonus. If we get the 6 sales, we will do a massive giveaway. 6 accounts, Take Profit Trader accounts. We'll do 3 150Ks and 3 50Ks. And we'll do some cash giveaways as well. We'll give you guys some of the $750 bonus that I'll get. So, what up, Michael? Oh, is my camera off still? I didn't realize that. There it is. There it is. I could just take this off and look for a better entry. I don't know. Could easily dump, but I'm not sure. CT, how did you do today? Oh, you're trading. Hey, Dale, just so you know, Pine Tree's eating a banana. He's over there eating a banana. It's dropping overnight. I don't know. I mean, I don't ever like fading the all-time highs. I'm over here. I'm over here putting some funny. I said he just throated that banana. Told me he just throated that thing. All right, come on, rip it up. I wanted to, if he gets above 15, I feel okay about the long. I would feel better about the long if we can get above 15. Because that would stop out the bearish inside bar. But new 15-minute candle opening up here in 40 seconds. Let's see if that takes us to the moon. See if that takes us to the moon. All right, let's see what happens here. Got 15 seconds to go. Not that it's a whole big deal, but we'll see. That was a full-size banana, says Nate. Yeah, it was. He throated it. I didn't know he had that skill. I didn't know he had that skill. I have no idea what I just did there. What did I do? Where did my... Oh, I somehow switched to ES. All right, let's see here. Push it! Rip it! I just get out of this trade since it was a stupid trade to begin with. I don't know. What up, Gary? All right, let's see if we can break 715. I'll feel much better about it then. Gets above the high of this candle here, then I'll probably go ahead and go break even, stop. All right, perfect. Why is it? I'm trying to go break even, stop. It's got something on there. So stop to break even here. I'm looking for kind of the low-hanging fruit, which is 50% of this wick. That's what I'm looking for there. So I'm not looking for the full wick. I'm just looking for like I'm front running it by a point or two. 50% of the wick. Should be able to go here. ES getting above the 64.38 level there. Stop actually should be 698 and a quarter. I'm going to move my stop back to where it should be here. So I'll risk 9 points on this. Stop should be 698 and a quarter. That's where it should be. But to be fair, though, I also probably should have taken profit at 715. Do I just take this? I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it because I should take profit there off that last inside bar that printed. I do think it makes sense to push up into the 724 level. I do think that completely makes sense, but I'm just not going to be too greedy here. Let's just take what we can off that play. I mean, it ended up being a valid entry after we printed this other inside bar, but, you know, no need to be greedy there. So we kind of fibbed. This was where I was kind of coming up with that target, right? Because we're at all-time highs. It's hard to have a target, so you just have to kind of think from a logical perspective, right? So just look for 50% of that wick before you maybe get a retracement. I think that's a good target. Because typically when we get to 50% of the wick, you know, you'll start to kind of get a little, yeah, it might still go here, but we don't know for sure. 50% of the wick probably makes sense. Let's check and see if you guys are smashing that like button. Let me take a look. Y'all smashing that like button or what? 12 likes? What are we doing over here? 12 likes? That's it? You guys are letting Streamlabs whoop you in the chat too. Streamlabs is ranked number 3. That means there's only 2 people above Streamlabs chatting. Come on, guys. You got to put Streamlab to shame. Is Pine Tree still short? He is. I mean, he might get up here to the 725s and then get the pullback he's looking for. I think this is going to get tagged. High probability of that being hit. Thank you, Black Phoenix. Appreciate you. Streamlabs, kiss my grits. Jim's not even in the top 10. He's not even in the top 5. Nah, I'm just kidding. If you guys want to do a huge giveaway tonight, then we need 6 Take Profit Trader accounts to be bought. We need 6 of you to bite the bullet, buy the accounts, use code MM, and let's get rolling. Let's get those giveaways rocking. I would literally give everything I have away tonight. Actually, it'd be 7 accounts. I have 7 accounts I can give away. And, yeah, that would be good. Seven accounts, and we'll do a couple of cash giveaways too. Not a bunch of money because I'm not rich by any stretch. Dun, 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 dun. You guys ever seen, just question here, just kind of trying to conversate, right? Have you guys ever seen these guys? I don't even know their names on TikTok. It's 2 guys that trade. They're younger guys, and they trade evals, I think. But like they'll be like yelling at each other, screaming at each other, and then like one will take a trade that the other doesn't like, and he'll like smash the monitor. Have you seen these 2 chicks? Nope. Haven't seen those. Haven't seen those at all. Now, we're not big balling and shot calling Black Phoenix at all. I do look at my checking account and I wonder where the money goes sometimes. I wonder where the money goes. Where does the money go? Who are those guys? I don't know. Let me see if I can find them. I don't know if I can search and find them. These guys are hilarious, though. I mean, I'm talking like they have me dying. And I can't believe that they have like 1,000 people watching them. If you had $1 million, what would you do? 2 chicks? I don't know if I follow these kids. Let me see. I have no idea what their names are. Let me see if I can find them. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Let me show you these guys. Here, let me turn my let me mute this stuff. Here, let me turn this on so you guys can hear. I think I can just turn that one on. I want to see one where they lose. Let me see one where they lose. Here we go. This kid right here is always this kid. Yeah, he's the one that's always like smashing stuff. Yeah, they lose, yeah. Yeah. Untruck. I think they're paper trading for sure. I think so. Look at them. Yeah, I think they are paper trading, but they are hilarious. Are they even? I have no idea. Their name was BS9 something. It comes up on my my whatever recommended page, for you page, whatever it's called. But yeah, they could be. I have no idea. I mean, nothing against them. They're just hilarious. They are hilarious. They have like 1,000 people watching them live. I'm like, it's crazy. It's insane. Maybe that's what I need to do. Cove, I need to get Cove over here, and we got to be yelling. Get Cove punching some monitors. Or Pine Tree. You can see it pretty much hit the 50% of that wick there. It didn't quite touch it. It's a tick off, but close enough. Oh, they are hilarious. Like I'll sit there and watch them and just see watch the train wreck sometimes, and just laugh. Oh, because the one takes a trade the other doesn't like, and then or whatever. I don't even know. But they trade the alpha futures, so I'm pretty sure they're on evals. Things were different. You almost had me and Jay doing a channel together. Yeah, that's true. You could still do it there, Cove. You could still do it. It could be called Two Guys, One Cup. We can't say what your specialty is. Breaking something because you were angry makes sense. Yeah, CT, I don't get it either. I know people who do that though. Guys, as long as ES has not hit the all-time high here, I think it just drags us up. I think it just drags us up with it. ES has not hit let me mark out the all-time high on ES. The all-time high on ES is at 64.57. So I'm going to mark that out. And I mean, I just think ES continues to grind higher. So I think that kind of puts you in buy dips mode on the Nasdaq as well. Because it's just going to, I think it's just going to drag us up. Well, they're 16 points away from all-time high on the ES right now. Yeah, now you lost money and you have something that's broken. Yeah, I agree. I will like hit my hand on the desk or something like that sometimes, or let a cuss word fly here or there, but nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. So there's the 50% mark. Again, I consider that like the low-hanging fruit. Could go higher for sure. I just, you know, that would have been my target. Very reasonable to swear a lot. So we'll take that 50% off there now. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for. At least there. I think that's a safe target off that, you know, that inside bar that we did print there. I just didn't hold for that target. Technically, these kind of wicks up here were really your target, 715. So that's where I took it off at. So I do want to go ahead and purchase a few more. I gotta get some a few more accounts loaded up, ready to go for next week. I'm gonna start some. I'm gonna buy some tomorrow because it's the last day of the month. Is that tomorrow? I think tomorrow is the last day of the month, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm gonna buy some tomorrow and start those next week. Don't really know. There's no targets to the left here other than the high here. Yes, above 64.42 here, still squeezing. As far as like where would we maybe take another long, maybe a retest of like 700 again, you might take a long. All right, COVID, check you later. Bang through yourself. Let's go. I want to get 5 My Funded Futures passed. I really want to, man, the thing is, I'd like to play My Funded Futures on earnings to get it passed. And I mean, today would have been a great day, but I really didn't. I forgot earnings were this afternoon. I do know we have earnings tomorrow, but I don't know if they'll report before you're unable to trade the MFF accounts, right? I would love to play those on earnings. We got an imbalance. Let me see. I got that. I don't have the imbalance chart up. It's actually right here. I don't see one at 7:15. Are you seeing one just on the 1 minute? Or are you talking about a regular imbalance? Yeah, I did too. I forgot. I could have. It would have been a great day to send them to. 1 minute. Okay, I got you. Yeah, it would have been a great day to send them because it was a clean move. I mean, like that move was literally at 402, just straight up. So if you had bracketed, you know, if you had some brackets in, you would have gotten paid. I actually was already long because ES had recovered that 64.15 level, and Mancini had said that's where we would squeeze. So you did in fact get paid. Let's go, Untruck. Too slow for the 1,000 tick? Maybe. I don't know. It's just what I'm using. I'm not necessarily looking for the imbalances. I'm just trading off of it. It is very slow for the 1,000 tick, though. You're not wrong. I'm just executing on that chart. That's all I'm doing. I'm really just watching price over here. Nice in New York today. Yeah, I didn't mind the price action today. I thought it was okay to read. Although at the end of the day, I was short bias, thinking that we'd hit that 330 level. I was short bias down here. As you can see, I took a short stab, but I got out once the ES reclaimed the 64.15. I took it off, and obviously for, you know, good reason there. We went to the moon after that. Slow at lunch, but remind me of actual volatility during Powell's presser. Yeah. You might be taking a very methodical short. That's scary full time. I just think we just go. I think we still just go. I think ES is just going to drag us up. So don't look now, but we have 50 creeping up on to the imbalance, do we? Oh, where's the 50? Am I on the wrong chart? Where are my EMAs at? Oh, this chart has nothing on it. What happened? Did I accidentally delete everything? Oh, I think I did. Oh, man, my bad. All right, let's put them back on here. Somehow I deleted everything on accident. We'll roll with the 9 there. I did not even notice that. We'll change this to the 21. Indicators. Let's make this the 50. What else I normally have on here? Pivot points. Well, to be honest, those pivot points have not been, they've not been hitting lately. Hold on. Is this the right one? Oh, yeah, there it is. So pivot points. I don't know what else I'm missing. I normally have a couple of more indicators. What do I normally have on here? Oh, after some sage advice, you look for it all the time. Where, what other indicator I normally have on here? Pivot points. Oh, yeah. Opening range. Opening range, if I can spell it right. And let's fix the times. We want to have AM 9:30 to wait 45. All right, 9:30 to 9:45. I like to have, we'll make the high white and then the low green. And then, okay. And then we'll add the next one. We'll do that again. Oh, I didn't take the tags off there. We'll go 9:30. Oh. 1030. Let's take the labels off. Apply. All right, let's get down here. Let's figure out which one. I don't want the labels on there. There we go. Perfect. You're green, almost 200 bucks. Time for Netflix. All right, Black Phoenix, appreciate you. Fair value app, nah, I don't add those. Want to buy some trade day accounts, but I don't know which to choose between static and end of day aren't basically the same. George, the difference is static, you only get $500 in drawdown. That's the difference. End of day, you get 2,000. Static, the drawdown never moves. So if you go up 500 bucks, you now have 1,000 in drawdown. If you go up 500 bucks and then down 500 bucks, you still have 500. If you go up $2,000, you now have 2,500, but it never moves. So if you can deal with only having $500 in drawdown, go with the static. If you can't, I can't. I would go with the standard end of day. Me personally, I'd go with the trailing intraday because it works for me. $59. You the man for using the code though, George. Thank you. But whichever you choose to go with. Anyone know if a company is hiring a guy that loves stealing boxes on his day off? Yeah. There's a couple of them full time. A company that recycles boxes. Paul, good afternoon. All right, hold on. Max wants in now. I left him in the kitchen because I'm having I got the door shut. He normally comes in here and barks when he doesn't like the door shut. You the man, George. Appreciate you. Now the sale doesn't end until tomorrow, but you can buy them tonight if you want. Either way. Smoke weed, sleep on the job, and even bring in a 40 ounce to the job interview. They might be okay with that. All right, we make any sales yet on the old Take Profit Trader? Let me check. Any sales yet on the Take Profit Trader? Nope, we still need 6. We still need 6 sales. Oh no, are we going to make it? I think we'll make it, but whether or not it's tonight or tomorrow, that's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. We're going to do the giveaway as soon as we can. I'll tell you what I will do for you guys tonight, though. What I will do for you guys is we will do a Apex any size eval giveaway. How about that? At least. And if you guys hit the Take Profit Trader goal tonight, then we'll add 6 more Take Profit Trader accounts to it. So we could do 7 account giveaways tonight if we hit the target, and we could give away some cashola if we hit the target. If we hit the target, you're a little early, CT. Don't be a wuss. What is the code? I can't just give you the code. Ever come back over here again, I'll call you. Oh, yeah. Can't just give you the code. You're still watching it? I haven't watched the movie in a while. Man, Pine Tree's still short over there. He is holding the 42 here. Kind of getting a little rounded bottom here. A little roundy. Could maybe long here if you wanted. I'm not going to. Already been long. I could have just held the long, I guess, but could maybe held the long there. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, if you're new here, subscribe. Help out the channel. We appreciate it. A little bull flag on the 5-minute here. But yeah, the Bulenox 91% off ends, I think, tomorrow as well. Let's just look and see what ends today, what ends tomorrow. I think Bulenox 91% off ends tomorrow, but let's check it. They are having 75% off right now, the option 2 accounts as well. So for those of you who are looking to pick up the option 2 accounts, they do have 75% off on those right now. The code for that is MM1. And then code MM, obviously 91% off, ends tomorrow. So, and then trade days 40% off does end tomorrow, no activation fee. Really good deal on those accounts too. $60 all in for a 50K account. I mean, that's pretty solid. No activation fee, $60 all in. Apex sell already ended. Who else do we have? Take Profit Trader 40% off, no activation fee. I don't think that's going to end tomorrow. But the Tradeify 50% off using code MM. So you get 50% off an eval right now, no activation fee on Tradeify if you choose the growth account. I think the growth account's the one with no activation fee, if I'm not wrong. I think that's right. Is the growth account the one with no activation fee? Let me see. Which one has no activation fee? Yeah, the growth. So you get the growth account right now for like $80 for the 50K. And the 50K funded account, instant funding, is it's like $250. It's not too bad either. With all the new firms and new rules, most of any Apex account is worth. Well, I don't know. It's each person's different full time. You know how that works. Everybody's different. My Funded Futures is going to end tomorrow. That's 50% off your first account purchase this month, and then 15% thereafter. Funded Futures Network's BOGO probably ends tomorrow. Buy one, get one free, 50% off, no activation. Just going through the sales here. Funding Ticks 35% off. Those are all code MM. Every one of these is code MM. Do we miss anybody? Really? Legends and Lucid, I'm not quite sure what sales they're having. Yeah. So really decent sales this month. Like I said, we don't always get these sales, so we don't always get these sales, that's for sure. They don't always happen. Some months you get nothing. Almost worth it, yeah. I mean, I don't mind it. I'm passing me some more Apexes, or trying to. I got 8 or 9 or 10 or something like that. I don't even know how many I got at this point. We're going to try to get them passed over here as quickly as we can. I wanted to pass them today, but the copier failed me. You prefer take part? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I'm not pushing anybody on anybody. Anyone on anybody. I only trade with the 5 props that I tell you guys about. Yeah, Is nobody entering the giveaway? Exclamation point cash in the chat. I don't have anybody in the giveaway. Nobody. Not a single person. Am I still alive? Nobody here? Everybody hates the Apex giveaway that much that nobody entered. Nobody's entered the giveaway, huh? Oh. Oh, nobody wants it full time. Maybe, I don't know. Well, I am planning on giving away 6 take profit trader accounts as soon as we hit the goal. Alexi says, time to draw. Nobody's in there. Let's draw now. Yeah, we're going to give away 6 take profit accounts once we hit the goal there, the target. I might long off this 50 EMA. I mean, we got 11-point separation there. I think that'll be a decent spot. 713. I'm going to keep the stop like right where it needs to be too. You second that motion, Jim? Draw now. Well, we only have 6 in there, so you got a 1 in 6 chance. Whatever that is. If you want to pay you a salary. Oh, yeah. Giannis will get the take profit giveaway going once we hit the goal. I hate to do that to you guys, but got to hit the goal first. You know, that's how it works. Some people do membership only giveaways. Some people do go comment on this video, and some people do will draw next week. I draw right away. I do the giveaways right away, but I just want to hit the goal. That's it. Listen, it's a monetary factor there too, right? I mean, I get a bonus and you guys get a reward as well. So we normally smash that goal, but the last 2 months just hasn't happened. Been a struggle the last 2 months to get there. Trade day is pretty self-explanatory full time. The only negative to trade day is you got to trade 7 days in the eval. I think if they lowered that to 2 or 3, they would just go through the roof. But they're very similar to Take Profit Trader. Lexi, the goal is this. I will show you. I mean, I don't hide stuff from you guys. I'm comfortable. I show you this. Nobody else is showing you this. Here's my affiliate dashboard on Take Profit Trader. This is how it works with Take Profit Trader. You get a $250 bonus here. You get a $500 bonus here and 2 free 50K accounts. I gave both of those away already. And then you get a $750 bonus at $15,000 in sales. And you get 3 150K test accounts to give away. So as you can see, we're $600 away from the 15K. So that's effectively 6 50K accounts or 3 150K accounts, somewhere in there. So any combination of the few to get to the 16 or the 15,000 is what you need to get there. Some people keep those accounts. Some people hit in these levels. These bonuses are there every month. So if you see someone who's not, let me reopen that giveaway. Who did that just say? Eddie, you may need to put yours in again. I don't know if yours got in there. But yeah, so if you see people who are advertising Take Private Trader, but they're never doing giveaways for them, that means they're just putting those accounts in their pocket and they're using them themselves. I don't do that. I give them away. Yeah, full-time. Once you get out of the eval, 7 traded days, 30% consistency rule. Once you're out of the eval, then of course you can get day 1 payouts. And whatever kind of account you choose. So if you choose a trailing account, it remains trailing once you're in the eval as well. If you choose a end of day account, it remains an end of day account once you're, I'm sorry, not once you're in the eval, once you're funded. So Their max size account, I don't even know. Let me see. I think they have 150s. Let me see. Pricing. Let's pull it down. Yeah, they have the 150K. So you can see, so the price on the intraday trailing for the 150K is 180 all in, no activation fee. If you want the end of day account, it's 225 all in, no activation fee. Need to slide that back over. So their 50K account, as you can see, which is my favorite, the intraday is $59. The static account is $90 and $99 for the standard account. No activation fee. So that's nice. But they offer a lot of accounts. So it's not too bad there. Not too bad. Is that with my discount? Yes. 150K at take profit still cheaper than and less days to pass. Is it? I don't even know what the 150K. What is it? 170 something, I think, for take profit. So you're probably right there. Probably is a little cheaper. Yeah, the price I just showed is the 40% off. It has the 40% off already in there. I think Take Profit Trader is 170 for the, so yeah, it would be cheaper still. How much is it? $150K is, oh, it's 216. Yeah, it's 216 on Take Profit Trader, and on trade day, I think it's slightly cheaper on trade day. The 150K on trade day. Now remember, Take Profit Trader does turn to intraday once funded there, so that is a thing too. 225. Okay. So if you went with intraday, it's cheaper. It's 180, but it is a few dollars more, $8 more, but it stays end of day both times. It does look like you have slightly less drawdown with trade day as well. You only get 4,000 versus 4,500. So that's a thing to think about. Something to think about. That's where it gets you as bigs. Yeah, they need to lower the prices. I think the prices are reasonable full time. I mean, $59 for that account is for intraday trailing is super cheap. But I do agree on the trade days. I think if they lowered it to even to like 2 or 3 or even 5, just match Take Profit Trader and raise the consistency up to 50% in the eval, or even if they went to 1 day to pass, if they did that, that would be insane. Those accounts would just be flying off the shelf. If they went to 1 day to pass. They need to remove the intraday. Yeah, I don't like that either, S-Bigs. It's the only thing that gets me with Take Profit Trader is like, once you're funded, it's intraday, and when you're in the eval, it's not. That's kind of stupid. You know? So, just not going to come back and get us here, it doesn't look like. I'm comfortable taking this long up until ES takes the all-time high. Yes, up to 45, 13 points off the all-time high right now. No full-time. Once you're funded, it's intraday trailing. It is intraday trailing still once you're funded. There's no intraday trailing in the Pro Plus account. But in the Pro account, it's still intraday trailing. Yeah, they did remove the daily loss limit from evals. Once you hit the buffer, yeah. So once you hit the 2K and the 50K account, or the 4,500 and the 150K, it stops. Boom, 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 boom. I'm hungry, guys. I have not ate dinner. You got like 5 accounts with intraday drawdown, blown for already, so much harder than the end of the day. It is, Alexi. I mean, like, you have to take profit. You have to take profit. If it's, you know, if you're up 10 points, you got to almost move your stop. And you have to take profits. I mean, that's just the way it is. So, yeah, that's probably true full time. I mean, I trade the 50Ks, but I also take very quick profits, right? And I can deal with the 2,000 drawdown. 2,500 works well for me. It's not for everybody. Some people need that extra room, and I get it. I understand. We'll just keep following that 50 EMA up, I guess. Come back to it eventually. You risk around 600 per trade full time. There's a strategy that I was using that requires a 30-point stop loss, and I like to use it with 10 micros because sometimes you can really hit with it. But with these smaller size accounts, I can't really do it. So I probably do need to pick up some more 150Ks to use that strategy more. Only get around 3 or 4 trades per week using that strategy, so it's not something that happens every day, but, you know, it does happen. Your RR is super hideous. Oh. Well, with this one, you would be risking like $600 for $600 to $1,200. Usually, it is kind of a 1-to-1, but the win rate on it's pretty high, like 80%. 6,700 in one day with TPT, and I took out 4,500. This was right after passing the eval. I got hooked, but I have not been able to do it ever since. It's like a slot machine. Yeah, it's big, and it's addicting. It's addicting. That feeling when you hit like that, and then you take it out, and then like you just want to get back there, right? It's addicting. So, you're being sarcastic full time. Oh, yeah, I had that happen to me too. And what happens is, you get so zoned in on that daily payout, right? You get so zoned in on it that you overtrade and you do things you wouldn't normally do. So, yeah, I wasn't short here full time either. I did take that short earlier after I said I wasn't going to. I mean, I was up a few bucks on it. I mean, we were up. What did we shorted here? 96, and we were up 7 points at one point. Looked like it was going to work out. I really wasn't going for that much. I was only going for 3 more points. It just didn't get there. So, high risk taker like you, yeah, me too. So, let's see if we can get a pullback here before we hit the all-time high into the 50 EMA. That sure would be nice. And I might only look for like 5 points out of this. I don't even know. I mean, I don't even know if it gets tagged in, to be honest, because like ES is already above 64.46. It's holding that level. It's building structure right there. It's probably going to go higher. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. Doing an any size evaluation from Apex. I will do the giveaway at 7:30. 14 more minutes. So you'll be interested in shorting after 7:30. We'll see. Hey, Team Massive. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. Yeah, I'm thinking that we're just going to push on up to I think the ES is just going to drag us higher. So until the ES hits all-time highs, I wouldn't be interested in shorting. And I think the ES just drags us higher. I don't know how far, but maybe into the 800s. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. Unless they just get out of sync. You know, we'll see. That was an interesting price. You guys see that? That was pretty interesting there. That was kind of an interesting drop, if you will. Look for the 50 EMA touch here. Just going to go with a standard 10-point stop. Earnings is tomorrow after hours, S-Bigs. I do think... I heard somebody say something about earnings, but it might have been this morning. There might be some earnings tomorrow. Thank you, Team Massive. There might be some earnings tomorrow morning. I'm not sure. I heard someone mention something about it, but I'm not sure. There's Max. He hears a noise. He hears a noise. Max said, I will bark. Do not mess with me. I am a short dog, but I have a massive bite and a massive bark. Don't you mess with me. Isn't that right, Max? Is that what you said? Or is that what she said, Max? I don't know. Let me show you guys Max right quick. Come here. Join the stream, Max. Join the stream. You haven't been on here in a while. Join the stream. Join the stream. Say hello. Oh, little burp. You want to hold it short overnight. Don't do it, Team Massive. Do not tell him, Matt. Tell him, Max. Say, until the ES reaches the all-time highs, do not even consider it. Tell him. Tell him, Maxie. We'll tell them. He hates me picking him up like this, by the way. He likes me to hold him, but he's not a cuddly dog, and he hates me picking him up like this. He absolutely hates it. That's why he's like stiff. You want me to put you down? I'll put you down if you want me to. I just do it for the stream, guys. I just put him through this for the stream. That's all. It gets extra views, you know? I'm going to make a thumbnail that says, watch my wiener trade. I should probably include the dog in there, huh? Wall Street's AI heavyweights added combined $500 billion to the stock market value late on the Wednesday after quarterly reports from Microsoft and Meta showed massive investment. Interesting. What a beautiful wiener. I agree. I agree. That made me think of Warren from There's Something About Mary. When he walks up to the girls and he says, do you want to touch my wiener? Or something like that. Or you want me to show you my wiener? Qualcomm, Meta, Ford, Microsoft, eBay is what I see starting at 3 p.m. Central. Yeah, it must have been today. It must have been today, S-Bigs, whoever I was thinking of. It was someone who is in YM. They're not, you know, in the YM market. It was like 8:30 this morning or something. I don't remember who it was. I got a short memory, so I don't know. Good old Maxie. Sorry, Maxie. Sorry about the torture, bud. Oh, just to be a dog who lives such a charmed life. All he has to do is eat, sleep, poop, get pets. You know, that's it. Bark at squirrels. Chase the squirrels. Such a charmed life he lives. Oh. All right, come on now. Let's go. Get down here, get me filled. Did Pine Tree switch long now? I think he switched long now. He switched long right when it drops. Go figure. Do you think we go back to 574 before the pop higher? 574? No. 574? I don't think so. Tiger style with 70 micros. Oh, he is in 70, huh? No, I don't think we go down at all. I think we just go to the moon here. Now, of course, you know, I could be wrong. I could always be wrong. We could just be completely wrong here, but I don't think we are. A lot of times it's harder for me to tell. I get the ideas based on the movement and things from New York session, and I try to implement those into Globex. It doesn't always work. Like last night, I had the draw correct, the 424 area, if you guys remember, or 442. I had the draw correct last night. However, we didn't hit it until New York session. So your short entry is currently at 23,715. I don't think that's where my stop is. I don't think we make it there. And if we do, it may be a short. The 50 EMA here is 724. I'm expecting like a 10-point bounce out of this area. I might just take 5. I don't even know. I might just take 5-point bounce. Yeah, I know it's a sissy bounce, but we might just look for a 5-point bounce. If we even get tagged in here, I have no idea. As soon as we get tagged in, we'll put in our little sell here. Just look for a little scalp, a little $100. Get us to $1,000 or something like that. We'll either be at 1,000 or we'll be at 683, 680, whatever. One or the other. Got 5 minutes left in the giveaway, guys. 5 minutes. Exclamation point cash. Free 50 or free any size evaluation from Apex. Is this thing not gonna get me? Come on, bro. Get me tagged in here. Tech T in the house. What up, David? David, I haven't seen Catherine? What was your... I haven't seen her enter the giveaway yet. Get her in there. I'm trying to remember her name. I think it started with a C. Kathy. Yeah, it was Kathy. Look at that memory. Look at that memory. I remembered the name. You can win multiple days in a row here. We don't care. You can enter on multiple devices. We don't care. I don't care. It's up to you guys. Let me check in on the Tiger and see if Kid Poker's there. Yeah, tell him we're doing a giveaway. Tell Kid Poker we're doing a giveaway. Actually, I don't know. Tiger might get mad if you say that in his chat. Don't do it. Don't say it. LT Gray. There's Kathy. Let's go. Hey, David, how did Kathy do trading that eval today? I'm pretty sure it was Dave. David doing it. Oh, what's good, Pawn? Man, this thing just does not want to tag me in here, huh? It just doesn't want to tag me in. You know, as soon as I FOMO into it and just hit the buy button, it'll dump. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do it. Again, I'm going to say it a couple more times tonight, guys. If you get tired of hearing it, I'm sorry. But if you want to have a bigger giveaway tonight, we need 6 more sales on Take Profit Trader. 6 more 50K accounts sold. She traded Bulenox up 250. Let's go. Nice job. Been a long day. Finished trial today only to come home and hear my oldest is at urgent care with a broken arm. Dang. That sucks. What up, Solo? Wise people typing exclamation point cash to enter the giveaway. We're doing a free Apex evaluation, any size. Yeah, Steve, 100% recommend Bulenox. I got 3 funded accounts with them. They're 91% off. Never had an issue getting paid. I've taken several payouts with them. I 100% recommend them. You have up to 11 funded accounts. Yeah, still have 3 accounts with them right now, 3 funded accounts. I'm going to enter, let's see here. She was at your mom's and apparently fell out there, didn't say anything at all. Came home for a bit and really broke down trying to fold some towels. Oh, dang. Stay clear of the... Yeah, that's a good point there, full time. I forgot about that. Yeah, do not get any account over the 50K with Bulenox. Activation fee is $148 and they go up above the 50K, so don't get above the 50K account. Don't recommend above the 50K. That is a good point there, full time. I forgot about that. So the 150K is like, the activation fee is insane. It's like $498 or some craziness like that. So just either go with the 25K or the 50K. They have both end of day and intraday. If you go with the option 2, it's intraday or it's end of day, and they're 75% off right now. 91% off the intraday accounts though. So yeah, that's true. I forgot all about that. Oh my goodness, look at this thing just go without me, guys. Look at it just go without me. Such a dirty girl. Such a dirty girl. What's wrong with her? Very well, Pawn. I mean, we might. I'm just watching the ES here because, like, if the ES can get to all-time highs, I don't know that we get that high, but we'll get up there a little bit. We'll get up there somewhere. You just long wait for 24K. That's what it wants you to do, though. That's the problem, Untruck. It wants you to just long and wait, and the next thing you know, you're in drawdown. It's trying to trick me, but I've seen these tricks before, and I will not be fooled. I will not be fooled. At least not today. At least not right now. If it was the New York session, I might be fooled. I could be fooled. I am super hungry. Crystal's over there eating pizzas and cookies. Over there eating pizza and cookies. And sending me pictures of her holding a gigantic pizza saying, I didn't even slice it because I'm going to eat it all. Oh. And we're not talking about a small pizza either. She had like a full size... I don't even know what kind of pizza it was. Full-size pizza there. Looks like a Red Baron or a Totino's or something. I don't know. Making me hungry. I'm hungry. Full-size silicone parts. Nah. You'll fold a pizza like a taco all for yourself. Yeah, Jim, that's probably what went on there. Probably got to... That's how those... what are they called? Those... What are those folded... What are those things called? Calzones. That's how they came up with those. This is a calzone. No, it's just a pizza. It's just a pizza. Silicone toys. Silicone parts are made for toys. All right, maybe we get tagged in this time. I gotta sneeze. Hold on. You know, when you get over 40, you got to let out a big, oh! go, or ow, after you sneeze. You can't just sneeze without making noise, you know? Can't just sneeze without making noise. Oh, Streamlabs is now the #1 champion chatter. Who's going to take it over? Who's going to challenge Streamlabs? Jim's over there, #2. He's wearing the #2 hat tonight. Jim, what'd you say your real name was? Marcus? I can't remember. I think you said like Marcus or something. Something like that. What's your real name, Jim? I forgot. Marcus? I'm going to start calling you by your real name. It is Marcus. Hey, let's go. Look at Methodical's memory, boy. I'm telling you. Look at that memory. Jim told me that like 2 weeks ago. I should try hacking and smoking and blowing smoke in someone's face. Oh. I'm telling you, Methodical's got that memory sometimes. It just sticks in there somewhere, and then he just re-accesses it later, you know? Like, oh, it's time to access that memory. Let's pull it out of the bank. Let's do it. Pull it out of the memory bank. All right, 7:30. Let's do the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point cash in the chat. If you're not in the giveaway, you got about 1 minute until the giveaway is over with. We're going to pull it at 7:36. No messing around. 7:36. We're going to pull this trigger. Alejandra, if you want to get in the giveaway, exclamation point cash in the chat. Quickly. You're starting to think your name was Jim too? Well, I used to call you Yoji because the first 4 letters of your name is Yo Jim Blab. I never even noticed that it said Yo Jim Blab. I just saw Yoji. So I was like, oh, hey, Yoji. How'd you come up with that name, Marcus? Yo Jim Blab. Was that one of those generated names from YouTube on its own? Are we going to get tagged in right as we're doing the giveaway? Is that what's going to happen here? Are we going to get tagged in as the giveaway is going on? Maybe. Oof. It came so close to it. It came so close to our entry and said, nope, we'll bounce. This is one of those 50 EMA plays where I don't really like it, to be honest with you, because the EMAs are too close together for this to be, you know, you're going to fight the 9 and the 21 to get your profit target. But we'll take it. You know, we're risking $200. Not that big a deal. All right, guys, we're going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to be choosing the lucky winner in 10, 9, 8. There's only 17. Wait, let me make sure. 7, 6, 5, 4. We got 33 users in the giveaway. 3, 2, 1. Kenny, let me see if you're already in there. Let me double check Kenny's in there. Kenny, you're already in there. All right, Naif, I'm going to give you a chance to get in. All right, Naif's in. Let's go. Rudy Ramos just subscribed. Let's give Rudy a chance to get in there. Welcome to the Methodical Crew, Rudy. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Rudy, get in there. Exclamation point cash. Going ahead. I'm giving you time, Rudy. Now, if Rudy wins, he just subscribed, and then he wins right away as the last entrance, that would be amazing, wouldn't it, for Rudy? Not so much for all of you other guys, but it'd be amazing for Rudy. Team Massive, you're already in there, I believe. Oh, Tutti Fruity Rudy. Mo, you're in there. All right, let's go. Closing it up, and we're picking the winner. Boom, the winner is Alejandra Molina. ¿Dónde está Alejandra? Aquí? Sí or no? Nah, Mo, you didn't win. He should go buy a lottery ticket. Yeah. Alejandra, por favor, ¿dónde está? Oh. I tried, Mo. I try. Alejandra, you just won. What are you doing? Over there trying to enter again. You just won. Alejandro, I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I just posted it in the chat. It's also pinned at the top. Methodicalman@gmail.com. I need your... Oh, this needs to go up one more tick. I need you to either send me a screenshot logged into your YouTube channel or just send me the email and then I'll verify you using some of the information from the email. So, Oscar, you just missed it. If you send it to me now, we can get you verified. Otherwise, you're going to need to just click on that, show me that you're logged in, screenshot it. We'll get you verified and get your account over to you right away because that's how we do it. We'll get you the code right now and you can full port immediately, long or short. Truth be told, bad time to full port. It'll just go sideways. Alejandro was kind of middle of the pack on the entries. So, actually kind of towards the bottom. What up, D-Shoe? Man, did we get tagged in here or what? I mean, come on. I'm trying to be super patient on this entry, but it's annoying. Head and shoulders to the upside. Should I just full port right here? Man, we're really looking bull flaggy on the 5 minute. Really looking bull flaggy. I mean, I'm trying to get in there. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get in there. I'm looking at longs, Mo. We're at all-time highs. We're looking at longs. Yeah, we got about a 5-second delay, D-Shoe. Downside on the 1 minute. The higher time frame looks like a bull flag, though. Yeah. It's going to go without me now. That's rude. Do I just long here? I'm just going to go ahead and jump in here. I'm still going to take it if it pulls back to the 50. You got me, market. You did it. You got me to jump in before I was supposed to. You got me, market. It's okay. Wonder if I should play the gap. I wouldn't. I would not, Mo. No gaps for me to be played tonight. I wouldn't do it. Now, I could be wrong. You see what it did there. You saw what it did. Yeah, I'm using the 50 on the 1 minute, 50 EMA on the 1 minute. You want to protect your stuff. Do not trade with a stop loss. You just tried using a rhythmic. You don't like it? A mustard shot and some pull-ups. Get there. 300-point running after hours is crazy. It is. Oh, look at that, guys. Did it come back there? Just almost get me in there. Oh, man, I should have been at 27. Did I just miss it? No, it would have tagged me in anyway. You know it's going to tag me in now 100%. And instead of risking 200, we're now risking 400, which is half the profits. But that's okay. Oh. Someone call 911. Little dirtiness. If the market only goes up 85%, why do you need to stop loss? That's true too. Well, on these accounts though, you know how that goes. Look, the 5 minute looks like a cell phone bar. This is your cell phone coverage, except in reverse. It looks like a cell phone bar. I mean, that doesn't get much more flaggy than that, right? Ooh, wait. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I didn't get a chance to put the pole down. Darn it. Looks flaggy there to me. Pretty flaggy to me. The next backtesting stream, I got a couple ideas over the weekend. I like to do those over the weekend. So, Alejandro, you sent the email? All right, let's do it. Yeah, I like to do those over the weekend, D-Shoe, so I'll probably get to that over the weekend. Did I see Topstep reduce their profit days from 200 to 150? No, but that makes sense. All right, Alejandra Molina, we're going to give you one extra verification step. What is the first letter in your email, Alejandra? What is the first letter in your email? Let's see. Got to find my codes. When did I can never find these emails. Nope. Nope. Guys, we will be on My Fund and Futures TV on Friday. Why can I not find that email? I'm not seeing the email I need. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. All right, what'd you see? What'd you say? Alejandra said H. No, you didn't win. Everybody's guessing A. Nope, you're wrong. It's H. You are all wrong. Back to the drawing board for you guys. All right, let me verify. Okay, we got Alejandra verified. Let's get the code over to Alejandra. There it is, Alejandra. Purchase your eval, any size eval you want from Apex. What in the hell is it? Now Tick Direct is saying, we've upgraded our platform to a new dashboard to enhance our user and affiliate experience. New login for affiliates. I hate it when they do that stuff. I hate it when they do that stuff. That means I got to create new passwords. I got to just do it all. I don't want to do it. I don't like it. I don't like it. You like to go against the grain full time? That's why I get burned? You're taking a short full time? Don't do it. Oscar Rhodes says scam. Which one, Oscar? Tell me. Tight stop in the high. That's where my take profit is. I did say I was only going to take 5 points, but Jonathan, you missed it, brother. You missed it. You guys haven't already hit that like button. We only got 39 likes, got 86 viewers. Let's pump this up a little bit. Let's pump these likes up, please. That email, you just got it too? Uh-oh. Oh. Nah, the email is right. This is how I verify. See, I'm not one of those YouTubers that don't verify stuff. Look. I try to tell people, like, you can get scammed if you don't watch it. If you're not, you use this. This is the winner. This is the winner that chatted. And this is the winner that told me the letter of the email. Boom! Easy way not to get scammed. That's my foolproof plan there. Giving Kid Poker's strategy a try. Good luck, sir. Do I just take 5 points here? I don't know. I might. I think I'm just going to take the 39 level. I'm going to take the 39 level. That'll get me to over $1,000 for the day. Oh, the Tick email? Yeah, they send it to affiliates and to... but I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Anybody knows how to get hourly NQ bar data for data testing? I have no idea, Lexi. I don't even know what you mean by that. Hourly NQ bar data. Where are you doing your back testing at? We are also coming up on the Japan Open as well, the Tokyo Open, here in about 13 minutes. So that really could take us through the highs. Time, open, close. I have no idea. The code's for any size account, Alejandra, yes. Should be for any size account. You should be able to get any size you want. Do I go for the high? I'm trying to ask myself if I just go for the high since we're about to come into that opening. I don't know. Yeah, no worries. Let me know how it goes. I'm just going to go for the 39. I'm not going to be greedy here. Wasn't listening. I have no idea, Mo. I wasn't listening either. I was actually taking a nap between 2 and 3:30 p.m. We took a nap. A glorious nap. But yeah, I'm not quite sure. Anybody know how to get that data for Alexi? Time, open, close. Did I already get 5 points? I don't think I did. Did I? Yeah, I actually did. We already got the 5 points. Guys, we'll do more giveaways if you guys buy 6 more accounts from Take Profit Trader. If I get 6 more sales before I get off the stream, I will do a huge giveaway. We'll give away 6 accounts and some cash. But right now we're still stuck at 6 sales needed to hit this target. I'll give away 3 150K accounts and 3 50K accounts, and I'll give away cash. You just need 6 people to bite the bullet and buy 6 more 50K accounts. That's all. Using code MM. That's all we need. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. It's okay. I'm going to do the giveaway. Whatever stream hits the target for me, that's when I'm doing the giveaway. So, new 5-minute candle here. Let's see what happens. 50 EMA is moved up to 29 now. So, we can actually reduce our stop to 19 as well. We surely need a retest of 700. Might stick a mini and go. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Average 735. Nice. I'm just thinking we push up. We might come back and down and test the EMA. I don't know. If it does, we'll just be in 2. Be all right. Can we do it? Can we go to the moon? I don't know. What would you call the chart on the left? Head and shoulders? If not, is it more so a triple top? The chart on the left is a 1,000 tick, so I would not even use this for charting at this hour, like this time of day. I'm not really using this at all. I'm watching this chart. But this is a 1,000 tick. Not using that one at all for charting right now. I'm just looking for imbalances, but I am using this one. I don't really see anything on this one, to be honest, that's head and shoulders. Just like a huge bull flag on the 5-minute. So I'm thinking that we just push. I mean, that we broke out of the bull flag. Usually, when you kind of got that trend line, you at least run it all. So the push up in the 740 makes a lot of sense here. Yeah, Tokyo does open in 9 minutes. We get a little push, hopefully, there. Stop at 741. How do you manage all the accounts? Like, do you trade every account every day or you rotate them? No, Steve, I usually copy trade. Right now, I have not been copy trading every account. Just kind of getting back into my groove a little bit. So, but yeah, typically I would copy trade everything. That's how I roll. I might change that in the future because, like, it's a lot easier to just trade the accounts one at a time and show some payouts. I mean, really, I'm just being honest. It's a lot easier to do that. Because, I mean, effectively, you're gonna hit a payout with some of them, right? That's just how it is. All right, if we get tagged in on this extra one here, we will target the high for that one. Going into the so we are tagged in there in 2 minis here, risking 10 points. Gold got battered when Powell started talking, I bet. Cha-ching. I do trade full-time SBIGs. I'm here every day, every single day. This is my job. This is how I get paid. Do I get paid? Am I living off of my profits? No, I am not. I'm the affiliates take care of most of my, or all of my living expenses. Honestly, I tell you guys that all the time. Yeah, so I'm upfront and honest about that. Not living off. I'm not trading. I'm not living off of trading profits. You see them right above my head. I haven't updated them in a while. I'm at about 22K for the year. So nice job, full time. Nice job. Nice job. Want to see this 50 bounce? Gonna have to clear 33 here. If it doesn't get back above 33, that's going to be of some concern. That'll be of some concern, but not a lot, to be honest. I may actually just take this one right here. Feels bad since I already kind of had that. What's an average month on affiliate payments? Around $15,000, Mo. Somewhere between 12 and 15, I would say is average. The most I've ever made is $21,000. And then the average, the low end is kind of 12 to 20. So I 8 kids. So that's what I'm working with right now. 12 to 15. This month's going to be closer to 15, I believe. So yeah, I mean, we're not struggling, but we're not making 15 grand a day like these big guys are. And some of these other influencers who are, there's smaller influencers than me that are making more money than me, a lot more. There's people that have 3,000 or 4,000 subs that are making a lot more money. Just because, I try to trade the right way. I'm not over here being a degenerate, acting crazy with my accounts and stuff like that. I'm not trying to show as many payouts as possible. I try to copy trade, and you live by the sword, you die by the sword when you copy trade, because you're either going to have a really good day or a really bad day on all the accounts. You know what I'm saying? So now, yeah, for sure, Mo. No, I'm completely happy. I'm completely happy with how we're doing. So nothing wrong with it at all. I'm not complaining at all. Not complaining at all. Not complaining about it. The goal was to at least make enough money to be able to not have a full-time job, and that's what I'm doing. So can't complain, right? Zero complaints. Oh man, now you're gonna drop? Rude. Rude. Well, we just opened a new 5-minute candle. That candle did not open very bullish. Maybe a sweep of like the 26 and then a pump. Dun, dun, dun. Nice job, full time. Let's go. Nice job, sir. I just can't short it. I mean, it may stop me out. That's okay. If it does, we're still going to be in the profits. I'm thinking that the Tokyo Open will probably take us higher. But I could be wrong. Now that we worked out your financial situation, have I got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? You got a bridge for sale. Oh. I got oceanfront property in Arizona. Oceanfront property in Arizona. Made $24.90 on eval today, but it's a 150K expert account. Nice, Jonathan. That's a good way to start, though. That first kind of day, getting that day green and out of the way is like really nice, right? Really, really nice. Historically, there was water there. Yeah, but not ocean, right? I'm not sure. Ocean? Was there ocean there? I'm not sure. I don't know the history. I don't know the history. Oh, you don't move your stop to break even? I do. We do it a little different. Oh, did I come in second on the moose race? I came in second. All right. Let's see. Oh. Oh, goodness. I came in second on the moose race. You're going to rerun it again anyway. All right, let's see if the globe or the if it can the next 2 minutes can push us higher here, rip through the highs. Can it do it? Can it do it? You started a new XFA today. Was out shopping with the family. Was down 2K in minutes. Holy cow! Clawed it back to plus 500. Yeah, that's crazy, Mo. I wouldn't be trading out with the family. Well, it's a green trade. That's all that matters full time. It could come back. The ES could come back down and retest the 42s before going higher. It might just take me out here. It's okay. I'm not concerned with it if it does. Not the end of the world again. Do need to move this over, though, a little bit. Again, I mean, I said before I took the play, I'm like, you know, the EMAs are too close, but let's see if the ES can hold that 42. 1 minute until the open. You got tricked by FOMO? Yeah, it happens. We got green to play with here, so. ES pulling back to test that 6442. Yeah, I haven't looked at gold yet tonight, so I'm not sure. 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. It's either going to RIP us or go to the moon. Down about 5 points here. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see what it wants to do. Maybe retest the VWAP. I don't know. New 15-minute candle, new hourly candle, all the stuff. That's not what we envisioned, but it's what we got. Little pullback here into the VWAP area. We might try it again. We might try it again. You know, we don't have contribution points here. So, well, full time, I'm just talking about in general. You're not looking for a huge move here. If you're looking for a scalp, that's fine, right? I don't feel like you're looking for a huge move here. Get back above 25 here. I'm going to put the stop in. And we'll just let it run if it can. We'll stop out if we lose the VWAP. If we lose the VWAP, that will be our sign. Might want to retest that open price down there at 705. That kind of would put us, that really is a decent level down there. Actually kind of like, yeah, 715, 705s, that range. So. There is a potential 5-minute short setup here, I guess. Let me see. You really want to short right now? It might be the play, but I'm not going to. Me personally, I'm not doing it, but you can do it. We might take a full port plate here just for fun. Oh. Bearish order block? Yeah. All right, guys. This is going to be a spot where I'm going to add a couple of more. And we're going to, it might cost me here. But I'm going to look for a little punch through the 30s. Might have trapped me here. ES might have wicked up there and caused me to long. But let's see. Kind of rejected hard once I did that. Still going to hold it. It looks like we hit the 9. What up, I trade? Not going to do it, Ross Perot. I don't know what that voice sounds like. Nice job, full time. I probably should have just added 1 there. I think adding 2 might have been a mistake. I was thinking the ES was reclaiming the 42s. We got a nice push up there, and then it just immediately rejected off of it. It may want to rebalance down to like the 715, 705 area. The human algo was long. Oh, dang. Yeah, the human algo knows what he's doing sometimes. If ES can reclaim the 42 there, I think we do squeeze. Let's see. Still think we squeeze. What up, Mike? Not a bad day. I do kind of like that 715 area. Got these wicks up here. The VWAP. It might, let's check over here. Oh, there is an opportunity potentially here on long on gold, guys. There is an opportunity long here. I would have longed like off of the 333 area. Once it kind of broke structure there. A lot of room to the upside here on gold. A lot of upside room. These are the levels. That first level up, this first level up is going to be probably the easiest to get to. Gold's the ultimate asset. Nah, probably not. But what do you think? 23,665? Yeah, I don't think we make it that low before we make it the high. But I mean, you know, I could be wrong. Who knows? I still think ultimately we go up, but you know, it's not gonna go up all the time. Bro, what are you barking at? There's a movie on. I don't know what it is. That was the second fastest moose, but it didn't count for anything because Pine Tree is rude. He ran it again instead of just giving it to me. I would have gave it to you guys. So rude. So rude. This is Junkie Cousin. Oh. Let's see how price reacts to the VWAP area. Yes, really got to reclaim that 42 level there. That's what I'm needing. It's perfect to take our money. Perfect. Oh, is that trade day sale in tonight? Jay's saying it ends tonight. Oh shit, I wasn't even looking. All right, I'm gonna take a add on here. Let's take like 725. Take most of these off at 725 if we can get the push back up. Let's see. See if it goes. See if we can get that push. Off the VWAP. ES at the VWAP there as well. Where's the VWAP at? 717. Yeah, that's not even 10 points off of it. Let's see. What up, Solo? Pump and dump? Well, it's dumping right now a little bit. I might be getting wrecked too here. We'll see full time. We did just rebalance that one gap. I might just be in too heavy here, though. Might just be in too heavy. We might be too heavy here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, but I was looking at trade day. I was trying to see, when does it say the sale ends? Don't miss out. It doesn't say. Just say end soon. That's worth to give up a lot of profit on a runner. You know, runners, that's what they're for, is to get that profit for you. Get it for you. ES at the VWAP here. Let's rip it. Get back above 20 here. We can kind of get some legs. Rebalance the 5-minute gap there. Let's see. New 5-minute candle here as well. Maybe get a little bullish engulfing candle. Maybe. Can she go? Yes, finding a little support there at the 39s. See if it wants to hold there and go. NQ does not look sexy anymore. Yeah, if you're long. Very confusing how they rebalanced it 4 times rather than 2. I don't know. I don't know. I still think it goes higher. It could go down. I mean, it could go either way, but, you know, I'm still leaning up. I'm still leaning up full time. Still leaning up. Kind of get back above this 9 EMA here. There we go. Nice little push. Nice little push up into the 720s. Just looking for like that 25 area. Actually did even better with it. Nice. Rip it. Is that it? That's all you got? Is that all you got? On truck they are. Maybe one more sweep here. We'll see. More. We need more. We need more. Well, actually, to be, let's see, 716 to 724, it's 8 points. Normally, you would expect maybe like 10. But this is a different time of day, so maybe not. Maybe 8's all you get. I'm going to get out of these. Just get out of these most of the position here if it gets back up into the green. Reduce my risk here. I think it'll get one more push up here, but it might go back down after that. Might have an inside bar here as well. Inside bar on the 5-minute potential. Little push again. Didn't get filled on any though. $732. Might not be a bad area. All right, we got out of those. Out of those, out of those. What do we got? One left? Yeah, one. Oh, good luck on the bass full time. Want to see ES reclaim that 42. If he can reclaim that 42, we really can get going. It's just got to do it. $50 EMA touch potential here. Inside bar breakout to the upside. I should have moved it. Just saw that inside bar breaking out there. So I ended up salvaging that a little bit. Made a little bit on that. Lost 300 on that short, or 400. And gained a little bit back there. ES reclaiming the 42 here. Comes a squeeze. Maybe we should have stayed in that full size there. Maybe we should have. I don't know. What do you guys think? Probably should have, huh? That's all right. It happens. So lost 400 on the little short here. 435 actually. And then made a little bit back here. I like that the ES is reclaimed 42 here. This thing's probably what I was looking for earlier. Got a lot of kind of trend line liquidity here. If the 5-minute here can close above like 730, 732, I think this thing just expands right into the high. So let's look at the 5-minute. Well, actually, this is already breaking out. Trend line liquidity here should at least at least push up into this area. Mismanaged that. Mismanaged that badly. I think you're going to see the push now. You're going to see the push into all-time high. You're going to see the rip now. Mismanaged that one. Might jump back in. 1 minute left on the 5 minute. "45 seconds on this 5 minute. Oh, man. That 15 entry was good. I just, yeah. I'm going to go 735. I'll take a pullback into that. This way we can keep it at like 10 points. Keep it at like 10 points here. Short from there, but it's suspect. Good luck, Mike. New 5 minute candle here. 5 minute has just broken structure back to the upside again. We run the high. I won't take the trade. Gonna have to get tagged in before we run the high. Appreciate you, Mike. I'm going to need a retest of the trend line here to get in. That's what I'm looking at. Do we get tagged in here? Hit that like button, guys, if you haven't already. We're only at 46 likes. We got 96 viewers. Come on, guys. We can do better than that. And then also, if you guys want us to do a giveaway, I'm only going to be on for a few more minutes probably. So we need 6 more sales on Take Profit Trader to get to our goal. If we get 6 more sales, we will do 6 account giveaway tonight. We'll give away 6 accounts tonight if we hit our goal. If someone wants to step in and purchase the accounts, take one for the team, then yeah, more power to you. Are my charts frozen, or are we just not moving? Oh, charts are frozen. Well, you just weren't moving. Charts are fine. Alejandro, you're going to have to buy a Take Profit Trader account. Use code MM. Otherwise, we won't be doing the giveaway. We got to have 6 more sales to get the bonus. 6 more sales to get the bonus, and then we'll do the giveaway. All right, not looking like... Oh, I guess I need to take this off. I didn't even think about that. I need to take that off because we'll get tagged in short. Dr. Jones, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. Uh-oh. Maverick. Oh. This kid. Crystal just sent me a picture of Maverick sitting at the computer butt naked watching my stream. Oh, well, there it goes without me. There it goes without me. Do I pass evals and news? No, I usually just use open. I usually just use open. Here's Maverick. I can show you all the PG version. Him at the computer. We show you the PG version. Can't show you the... He's butt naked. I'm telling you. He's butt naked. Sitting at the computer. He's butt naked over there. Yeah, I'll just hedge it open usually. A lot of times. All right. Well, that went without me. I mean, I don't know, man. I bought the 50 EMA. I DCA'd a couple times. Got a little spooked. Took it off for basically break even. I was in 5 minis there after DCAing. And of course, you know, as soon as I take it off at 24, 25, it just blasts 25 more points. So that's, I mean, what do you expect, you know? What do you expect? I'm going to do something here that I said I wasn't going to do. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. We're going to try a little short here. A little stab short. Looking for like just a few points. We'll go stop to break even at like 38, 39 area. Like right here. See if we can continue to get this push down here. Just looking for a little. It's going to take it right there. A little scalp. $100. I like that the ES rejected off that 46 level. Still got an SMT at the top with the ES here. It's not strong enough for me to be able to hold the short for much more than a scalp. So, join the dark side. What up, Untruck? Thank you. Oh. Just trying to take a retest of that 736 level. Oh. All right, guys. Got about 4 more minutes, and I'm going to jump off here. Give you guys a good 2.5 hours. And we'll be back tomorrow at 9:30 or 9:15 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let me let you guys know about the sales. Jay is saying that the trade day sale ends tonight. I'm not seeing anything that says that. I thought it said that it was good through the end of the month. But let me check my email right quick. Let me see what I've gotten from trade day. Okay, right here. Let me look at the last email I got. Took your first trade with My Funded Futures Live. You missed Quantower so much. Oh. Yeah, the trade day sale is 40% off, no activation fee. You can get the intraday trailing account for $59. All in. No activation fee. I thought it was good through the end of the month. But Jay said he saw somewhere it ended tonight. But I am not seeing that. I don't see anything like that says that. But yeah, code MM, 40% off. That supposedly ends tomorrow. It might end tonight. I really don't know. Apex, I don't know what their sale is. Bulenox, 91% off. Use code MM. That ends tomorrow night. Take Profit Trader, 40% off. Code MM. Don't know when that ends. Tradeify, 50% off evals. Use code MM. That ends tonight or tomorrow night. You also get 35% off the direct to funded accounts. My Funded Futures, 50% off your first purchase during this month. That does end tomorrow. That's also code MM. Day traders, I don't know what kind of sale they're having. I think it is 90% off. Use code MM. I have codes with Trade Day as well, Legends, Elite Trader Funding, Funding Futures Network, Tick Tick, Day Traders, Lucid, all of those. Prop Shop. The code's MM for all those if you guys want to support the channel. But yeah, Trade Day's a really good deal. You can have up to 6 accounts with them. Really good deal. My Funded Futures is a great deal. A lot of great deals this month. Really, really a lot of great deals. General, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I was trying to see if it said on here when the sale ends. Let me see. Promotion. One-day payout, no activation. It doesn't have a date on there, does it? It does not have a date on there. I'm looking to see if it has a date. It doesn't say. I don't see any dates on the trade day. I mean, it's said through the end of the month. It doesn't say it on their website either. So I'm going to assume that it's going to still be good tomorrow. I'm going to assume it'll still be good tomorrow. But yeah, we need 6 more sales on Take Profit Trader in order to do the massive giveaway. We only got 1 more day to get there, so I'm kind of annoyed with myself here a little bit, guys. I was up $900 at the start of the stream. I mean, we're still up $694. It's not like we gave a lot back, but I don't like how I managed this trade, this area here. I don't like how I managed it. I think the stop out was fine. I didn't move the stop. I looked for another spot to enter, but then I averaged into it, just mismanaged it. I don't like it. So I don't like how I managed that, but that's okay. That is all right. But anyways, that's going to lock it up for me tonight, guys. If you guys want to hit the like button on your way out, we'll be live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. And hopefully we'll be able to do the Take Profit Trader giveaway again tomorrow, or maybe we'll be able to do it tomorrow. Guys, join the stream tomorrow. So we hit that goal. It's going to be the biggest giveaway day I've ever had. We will be live at 10 a.m. on My Funded Futures TV on Friday as well. So join me for that. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.